Hi guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video, we are going to solve the problem funny string. In this challenge, you will determine whether a string is funny or not. To determine whether a string is funny, create a copy of the string in reverse. Example ABC, the reverse of ABC is CBA. Iterating through each string, compare the absolute difference in the ASCII values of the characters at position 0 and 1, 1 and 2, and so on to the end. If the list of absolute differences is the same for both strings, they are funny. Determine whether a given string is funny. If it is, return funny, otherwise return not funny. Let's see an example. Here the string is L, M, N, O, P. The ordinal values of the characters are 108 to 112. If we reverse those characters and the ordinal values of the characters are 112 to 108, that is the reverse of this. The absolute differences of the adjacent elements for both strings are 4 ones, so the answer is funny. So this is the example with detailed logic. So we just reverse the string and check whether the absolute difference between the two adjacent letters are same. Okay, let's see the constraints. Here the query can go up to 10 and the length of the string can go up to 10,000. Well, that's a big length. Still we can solve this problem in order of n. So let's see the sample input. Here the number of queries is 2 and we have 2 strings, and the first string is funny and the second string is not funny. Well, here is the detailed explanation. So we can use OR to store the reverse of yes, and we find the ASCII values of the corresponding letters, and if both the difference are same, we print funny. For the second test case, the difference is not the same, so they return not funny. Okay, let's solve the problem. First, we are gonna get the reverse of the string. Reverse of this string, that is R equals S double colon minus 1. This is an easy way to reverse the string. And then we go for the main logic. Iterate the characters of the string from the range of 1 to the length of the string for I in range of 1 to the length of the string. So we need to compare the current character and the previous character. Now if absolute of order of S of I, that is the current character, minus order of S of I minus 1, that is the previous character, we are going to find the absolute difference between them. From the ASCII values, ORD will return the order. So I think I left a bracket here. So yeah, I need to remove the bracket. And not equals, again we need to use the same thing. Just copy this and paste it. Instead of yes, we need to use OR, that is the reverse of the string. OR. Let's slide it. Okay, now you can see the entire logic here. So if both the absolute difference are not equal, means we need to return not funny. Not funny. And the condition didn't satisfy till the end, we can return funny, because all the absolute difference between the characters are the same. You can also use the list to store these values, but I am checking in place. It will save some space for us. So this is the whole logic. We are going to iterate from 1 to the end of the string and finding the absolute difference between the ASCII values of the current character and the previous character, and we are going to do the same for the reverse of the string, that is R of I and R of I minus 1. If the absolute difference not equals, means we directly return, and if the whole loop runs still it didn't enter the condition, then we will return funny. Okay, let's run the code. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it guys, we solved the problem. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for new videos. Stay tuned for the next video.